Buenos dias, amigos. Today I'm back in Mexico playing Airsoft at a sports stadium complex located in the city of Lagos de Moreno, which is used for a variety of activities such as music concerts, festivals, and traditional Mexican sporting events, such as charreera, which is a type of rodeo that combines equestrian skills with traditional Mexican culture, in which charros, Mexican cowboys, demonstrate their skills on horseback, often including bull riding and team roping. This type of sport holds deep cultural significance in Mexico and is officially recognized as the national sport. The event was hosted by a handsome Mexican man named Pablo and consisted of simple yet fun objectives like capturing prop missiles or taking turns attacking and defending specific areas of the stadium complex. For the gameplay, I was originally planning on switching things up and using my electric URGI, but as you'll see in the footage, after about 5 minutes of actual play, the gearbox went boom. Thankfully, I brought the gas Blowback XM7 as a backup, and that's what I'll be using for the video. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Hey, alright, ready?
Alright, one is down.
Move! Oh, lots of them, lots of them. Lots of them. About 4 or 5.
Alright.
Hold that. Hey, right there, right there. Sorry. Uh-oh.
Piece of crap! That's why, ladies and gentlemen, you should not use AEGs.
Alright guys, we're gonna kill all the femboys. No femboys.
What do you mean by that?
No, seriously, we should just probably fan out, try and stay low, out of view as long as possible to give them the illusion that they're safe and they can just walk right up into us and then we ambush.
This is big brain time.
No, esos son nosotros. Atrás son nosotros.
You can keep going up. Come on, slow.
We gotta go down and then...
Oh, that is nasty sunlight. It's real bad glare.
Alright.
Hey, cuidado, sniper, sniper.
¿Ya lo vi? Wait.
Alright, I'm gonna run to the stairwell.
Alright, I'll cover you some more.
What's you saying?
¿Qué pedo? ¿Dónde los tienes?
To the right?
Okay, they're on the bottom floor, forward, and we still have these guys that we can take out.
Get to the other stairwell with me, ready?
Okay, just like this, just run forward.
Yeah, ready, go. Watch that way. Here, get in, tuck in. Get in. Watch the stairs, Stay low.
Yeah, because I think the guy's over there.
Yeah.
On that third one. All right, I'm gonna move forward.
Are we gonna hold this? See? Yeah. Up on. Yeah. Big push.
We got guys behind that house structure. In the corner, regrouping.
One of us needs to go here. You stay here.
Alright.
I know. God damn it. I'm gonna put more gas in my. Cover me! I'm reloading. Bye. Por ahí. Gracias.
Va, échale, avántale.
¡Adentro! Good. Roja.
¿Bien esa granada? ¿Cómo te fue con las granadas? Cállate, pinche madre, te pasas de ver. Their size up here.
Yeah. Bueno. Bueno.
Your last bullet hit me.
Sorry. Bueno. Good job.
You from it?
Huh? Michigan.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
¿Sí les llegó o no?
I'll run to the sign. I'm out of bullets.
No nos va a salir, güey. Corre y aviéntaselo y te regresas.
I'm gonna run to that building. You suppressed?
Yep.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Más arriba, ¿verdad? ¿Es así o no?